Welcome to J&J's test video of S4CE377 78,000 mile SSR that has a whole bunch of hail damage. I don't think there's a good piece of sheet metal on this thing. So runs good, sounds good, everything else is okay, which is fine by me. Grill's alright, front bumper's okay. Been sitting a while, man. These things just sit. It's weird. Top does not work because the thing's painted. LM4, 79,863. Passenger window goes up and down. Check the mirror. Driver's side, oh, no good. Make sure the window works. Close that. Roll that the rest of the way up. I'll go drive it real quick. I think it'll run without the box. Good oil pressure, it's got a little temp in it. There's another one right there. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, that'll be it. S4CE377 78,000 mile 04 LM4. Gonna have a transmission hooked on the back of it. As always, thanks for watching.